First right-click on the slide, go to Format Background. Then choose Gradient Fill. Let's change the color. Then go to Insert your SVG file format. Insert 4 rectangles. And go to Format Picture. Insert Picture Online. Let's make it the flags. Let's go and add your text here, your group countries. And add a vertical line and change transparency and width. Let's enter our text here. Then duplicate the slides and let's make the first flag bigger. Go to resize them and make to the right. Then go to the SVG format and make it greater. Let's choose country and change its color. Go to text and add name of the country, make it bigger. Change its color, and let's go to add our location icon. Duplicate the slide and make the second one bigger, and let's change the color of the country. And add our text here. We will repeat it 2 times again as much in the number of flags you have, then we go to insert our text and get out this out of the slide. Let's resize it and go to change our title here. Let's go to transition and apply morph transition. Here we go. That is a brilliant presentation. Follow for more tutorials.